from Build, Live, Give, and this is the weekly BLG tip where we help corporate escapees find both lifestyle and financial freedom. So the purpose of this video is to help you improve your customer satisfaction. And what I mean by that is doing things in a repeatable way that makes it really easy for you. You don't have to think too much, and also gives your customers a great experience. So what I'd the problem I have is that I do quite a few things, and a lot of my clients tend to find the same thing. So they're doing lots of things, and it's like, how do you get that consistency in service so you don't miss things? So what we use is Asana. You could use this in different formats. I'll just show you in Asana because that's the tool of choice for us. But what I've got here is my interview pre and interview process when I do podcasting. So as you can see here, I can tick them off, but what I normally do is just mentally go down through each of them. And if I want to improve it, I just improve the template. And if I want to create a new one, I just go in and basically draw from a template. So I can just go plus, I just go add project. I go in here and I get the template, which is the corporate escapees template. We'll just call it test. And there we go. It will sit down here. And then it's got all of the information populated. So it'll take a little bit of time in Asana. It takes about 30 seconds or something to populate. But if I go back, it's got the, this is basically pre, it's got post the interview, it's got my introduction that I record after each, it's got the key takeouts, and also the post introduction, what happens. So that's just a standard set of questions that I follow every time, so it's really easy to do. Now, I do use the paid version of Asana. It's not that expensive, but it allows me to create those templates, so you can see how easy it is. And I'll just show you another one. So I've got Copper. So Copper is a sales CRM that we use, and we also sell in Australia and New Zealand. And once again, I can I've got the pre-call, the opening of the call, the background, the demo, add-ons, etc., etc. So this is what I do each time. So I just create a new project for each client. I can then archive the project after I've finished with the client. But once again, it just helps me. And each time I look at something and think, oh, wow, I should have asked that question. I should have improved that question. I just add it in the template. So I think it just allows you to be a lot more consistent, and it allows you to relax and enjoy the conversation because you know you're not going to miss anything. And I don't go as a robot down each point. Sometimes I'll miss, etc. And within that case, you can sort of go back and just mentally work out what you have and haven't done. So if you'd like to find out more, and if you'd like me to help you set up some of these, you can just go to blgmeeting.com. You can book a session with me, a free session, where I'm more than happy to help you get started on this, or whether it's Asana or some other platform. If you love what you see here, please share it with other corporate escapees or other small business owners. That would be great. And please subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos that come up. I record one each week, and it's really about practical things to help you find both lifestyle and financial freedom.